We're good with it. Man, we got something a little special and cool, something different today. I'm actually in the midst of getting orders done and all that kinds of stuff, man. So I don't have as much time to film, but I got something for y'all, man. Today, I already did the shoes. Well, the shoes are already done. So, boom. These are the shoes, right? Oh, snap. Hold on. Let me give y'all some good B-roll.
How they try.
Okay, now that that's over, so I gotta make an outfit to go with these shoes. So I'm finna just show y'all the process of me doing that. I already picked the stuff up. My bad, I ain't take y'all to the store with me, but it's gonna be okay. Let's go and go outside and handle the business. Okay, so what I'm about to do is I'm about to go ahead and lay down the cardboard that I'm about to be spraying on. I will show y'all the materials that I'm gonna use to do this tie-dye technique. Okay, so what I'm doing today is a tie-dye method I've been doing for maybe a couple of years now. I discovered this little spray at Hobby Lobby once upon a time. It's, oh snap, hold on, let me get y'all right. It's just SEI, man, that's it. SEI in the spray. It should be at Hobby Lobby. I would think Michael's and Joann's. I know for sure it's at Hobby Lobby and Joann's. So boom, that's all I'm gonna be using for this tie-dye session today. So let's get it.
Yeah. 901 low key. You know what I'm saying? You already know me. How about to pop out and handle the beating? I cannot lie about the way that I'm leaving. How about to pop out and handle the beating? I cannot lie about the way that I'm leaving. How about to pop out and handle the beating? I cannot lie about the way that I'm leaving. How about to pop out and handle the beating? I cannot lie about the way that I'm leaving. Hold on, wait up, keep my foot on their neck. Used to reach in my pocket, I was putting out lint. Now I reach in my pocket, I got me a check. I just feel on her body, it's off as it get. I got the game, I just ball and I repeat. Don't wanna talk about it, she just wanna please me. Went on a trip, I see life up in 3D. They know I shine and I blind like VV. I gotta give me a bigger bag. Every day I gotta hold the stand. Young nigga, how when I go for that? Young nigga, know I'm too cold for that. Back to the bases, I'm coming out 8, but don't think that I'm racist. These niggas full gaze. Back to the bases, I know that you hate it. I know that you faking, it's all on your face. Pop out, I look like a lick, make her get down. Pop out, you know when I'm up, I can't sit down. Pop out, you know I'ma give me a rebound. Pop out, you know when I'm up, I can't tee down. Ooh, pull up that money, I go and get it. Monday to Sunday, I make a living. Monday to Sunday, I go and get it. I know I feel like I'm stuck in it. No, baby, she want me to bust in it. I didn't have to get a damn sentence. I get it, I get penitentiary. I know them little niggas penny pinch. Don't put me in mentions, not by the penny. Don't wanna be around all that nigga inch. Just don't make a sound, I make sure I finish. How about to pop out and handle the beating? I cannot lie about the way that I'm leaving. How about to pop out and handle the beating? I cannot lie about the way that I'm leaving. How about to pop out and handle the beating? I cannot lie about the way that I'm leaving. How about to pop out and handle the beating? I cannot lie about the way that I'm leaving. Hold on, wait up, keep my foot on their neck. Used to reach in my pocket, I was putting out lint. Now I reach in my pocket, I got me a check. I just feel on her body.
Okay, we got them completely sprayed, and the great thing about Memphis in the summertime is it's hot as I don't know what. So the thing is, all you gotta do is let this dry out and then heat set it. I'ma heat set it with my heat press. Might show that, might not show that, I don't know. But now we finna let these dry, and then I'll show y'all the way they look as a whole entirety. I don't know if I'm gonna put some vinyl on there. I might. If I do, I will show y'all. So shoot, let's get them dried. Y'all, this is a testament to how hot it is right now. I just set the shorts over there after I finished spraying them. It took me all of maybe 2 minutes to spray the other shirt. The shorts are dry already.
It's off as it get. I got the game, I just ball and I repeat. Don't wanna talk about it, she just wanna please me. Went on a trip, I see life up in 3D. They know I shine and I blind like VV. Even though I'm low key, I'm still posted with GD. Even though they be sleep, put that work in that repeat. Even though they be cheap, they gon' talk like they beat. Even though they can lead, they gon' act like they can't. Even though they can see, they gon' act like they can't. If you know, then you know better, get the hell away from me. Slowly but sure, better know I got recipe. Hit the dub, you think you come in here checking me. Ain't no way I can stop, got the racks in. That ain't Jack in the box, that's a heaven in. Trying to pull out the lot with make back bins. Had to save up a lot you ain't put in. There's a whole lot of shit I had to take in. Had to make up the racks for the day in. Hold up, nigga, I'm a whole lot of days in. Yellow nigga, I make me a way again. How about to pop out and handle the beat? How about to pop out and handle the beat?
Alright, man, so hopefully y'all enjoyed that little video, man. Simple, like something that y'all can do, man, to add a little pop to your garments or whatever you want to do, man. Maybe you can make your own. If you do, make sure you send it to me on Instagram, cadet_B7. If you like the video, go ahead, throw me that little thumb, so you know what I'm saying, and subscribe, man. Join the squad, you
I cannot
feel
lie
me?
about the way that
Catch
I'm
y'all in the
leaving. How
next
about
one.
a pop out and handle the beating? I cannot lie about the way that I'm leaving. Hold the weight up, keep my foot on their neck. Used to reach in my pocket, I was putting out lint. Now I reach in my pocket, I got me a check. I just feel on her body, it's off as it get. I got the game, I just ball and I repeat. Don't wanna talk about it, she just wanna please me. Went on a trip, I see life up in 3D. They know I shine and I blind like VVs.